Now let's take a look at the course schedule. So again, it's going to be over here on the left-hand side under course information. And you'll find it below the course syllabus. So this is the course schedule and description, and you can click here to download the printable version. And it opens a nice printable document that, again, I encourage you to save and print out to use as a checklist as we go each week through the course. So you'll notice that it has all 15 weeks that we're going to be spending together this semester, and a breakdown of everything that you need to do for a given week. And so you'll notice that each week of our course runs from Sunday at 11:59 p.m. until the following Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So each week has that same exact time frame. And this first week is devoted to acclimating you to our online course and introducing you to the topics and giving you a bird's eye view of the course. Next week we dive into the intro and chapter 1 in your Van Selinsky book, and you're going to complete module 1, which is going to include a soft talk lesson. You're going to contribute to your KeyPoint Google document in your small group, and you're going to take a quiz. You'll also verify access to your development course in Blackboard, because in week 3 is when you're going to start experimenting with basic tools in that development course. So in week 3 you have chapter 2 of the Van Selinsky book, and again, same routine: soft talk lesson, key point entry, check your understanding quiz, and then also the experimenting activity added in week 3. Then in week 4 and 5 we double up 2 weeks so that you can devote it to chapter 6, 7, and 8 in your text. You still do have one Google Doc key point entry and a quiz. You still have experimenting with more advanced tools during this 2-week period. And we have the synchronous session during week 5 as well. Then in week 6 and 7 we tackle chapters 9 and 10 in your text. You do not have a key point contribution after week 4 and 5. That's your last one. But starting in week 6 and 7, you're going to be creating your syllabus, your outline, and your course map. And you're going to be doing a case study with a small group during week 6 and 7. Then in week 8, you're going to be setting up your course colors and your theme, your homepage. You're going to add the syllabus and outline and map that you made. And this is where you start your partner feedback. So starting in week 8, you're going to be partnered with someone that you, on a weekly basis, provide them with feedback, and they provide you with feedback on your course as you develop. And so in week 9, you're going to add module content. In week 10, you're going to add an interaction component to your course, again, providing feedback along the way. In week 11, you'll add an assessment component. And then in week 12, you're going to be able to decide whatever component you want to add to your course based on what you've learned. And we have an interaction with the experts activity where you'll get a chance to interact with real instructional designers and experts in the field on the discussion board. Then in week 13, you're going to actually switch partners and do an entire peer review critique of someone else's course using those same standards. We'll have the entire week of Thanksgiving off, and then you'll come back for your final comprehensive exam and a farewell discussion of what you'll take from the course. So our course will end on December 7th at 11:59 p.m. I've also added some other important fall dates here for you, just in case you're interested. You can also find these in the Tarleton catalog. So that's it with regard to the course schedule. I hope you find it useful for checking off things that you need to do each week.